The nice part about if we can do folders for all value streams is we can go back and we can show other people what those are, okay? You want to go down a little more? All right, so we talked yesterday about escalation process. Simple to understand the word escalating. So when we have an issue, we want to be able to escalate it to the next person when we don't get answers, okay? Same thing our customers do, right? They start with somebody, they go to the next person, they don't get an answer, and all of a sudden I get a call. When I don't respond, they call Roy. So they keep escalating until they get the answer, okay? So we have that same situation. We have safety issues. Safety is a big concern. So when we don't respond to safety, we should be escalating it. So in your huddle areas, by the Friday, we will have all of our escalation process, and it gives you some timing. But the thing that Honeywell showed us they had, what really helps out, is not only a name, but they have a picture. So when somebody starts, we want to introduce them to the escalation process when they first start. At least then if they have an issue, they can go see the name, they can go see what the position is, see the name attached to it, and see a picture so they can recognize that person in the plant. They don't have to ask 20 different people to find that person. Okay, so each one of the value streams will have that up there, so it's critical to be for safety, quality, and then we have it also for order processing, so when we're leaving to our customers. So there's going to be different escalation processes in each value stream. So if you get a chance, you can walk by White and see how it's being set up. So we have that process going. Okay, so ask your value stream leader if you don't understand. We're going to get more intimate conversations about it in the huddles, but I just want to give you a quick overview of what it's going to be. Okay? All right, so obviously for Wirebolt, again, we're back to they freed up all the cash, so they were buying up different companies. So for example, two of the firms purchased were consolidated into Wirebolt's Brooks Electronics operation in Philadelphia. Prior to the acquisitions, the three companies had operated independently, utilizing 114,000 square feet of space. Now, the combined operation has increased its total sales significantly, yet it's located in Brooks' original 42,000 square feet of space. Inventory has been reduced by 67%. The number of employees needed to run the combined operations has been reduced by 30%, and the surplus buildings have been sold. In effect, Art Byrne and Wirebolt are running a lean vacuum cleaner across the world, a batch and queue thinking in the wire management industry. Each time Wirebolt's vacuum sucks up a batch and queue producer, it spits out enough cash to buy the next batch and queue producer. Because of Wirebolt's need to grow to utilize freed up resources, this process can and must be repeated indefinitely. The third and final element of Wirebolt growth strategies is for rapid introduction of new products. Utilizing a new product development system with its dedicated teams and quality function deployment methods described earlier, the new product line described has increased sales by 140%, both by creating a new niche in the market and by stealing sales from competitors unprepared to match Wirebolt's pace of product introduction. All three strategies are critically dependent on the lean techniques introduced in the production, order taking, and product development. Indeed, rapid introduction of these techniques is Wirebolt's fundamental strategy. Art Byrne remembers that the previous jobs he had often wanted to go faster with application of these techniques, but his senior bosses were usually more interested in massive long-range strategic planning efforts, which they believed would take precedence. To my way of thinking, this is exactly backwards. Introducing lean techniques as a very business activity should be the core of any company strategy. These provide both the opportunity and resources to generate and sustain profitable growth. Profitable growth is what the strategic planners of the world are always seeking, but find hard to achieve because the company's operations can't deliver on their strategies. Okay, so just using it as a basic, fundamental business process, they are able to use other funds, just using the cash out of their companies, finding those people that aren't really well organized and have a ton of inventory to buy and keep growing. Okay.